Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share or attach files to other apps in My Files on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, open up the Samsung folder. Next, we go down and tap on My Files. In My Files, tap on Internal Storage and navigate to the folder that has the files that you want to share. So in here, I'm going to tap on the test folder. In here has some files that I want to share, so I'm going to touch and hold on one of the files. And in here, you can select one or multiple files. And then at the bottom here, tap on the share button. Now you can share to recent contacts. You can select an app that you want to share to. You can choose quick share, share to the secure folder, share to Samsung Note. You can attach it to an email or text messages. So you can tap on the more button and select more available apps. Now depending on what you have installed on your device, and the more apps you installed, the more will be available for you to choose from. So if you want to share it to a Gmail app, you can tap on that, and that will attach the documents to the Gmail app. And that's it. So that is how you can share files to other apps in My Files on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.